Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of fitness with what we believe is the best kettlebell cardio workout available, the Nordic Lifting Kettlebell. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk durability. The Nordic Lifting Kettlebell is forged from real cast iron, making it an incredibly sturdy and reliable piece of equipment built to last through even the most intense workouts. But what sets this kettlebell apart from the rest? Well, for starters, it features a powder coat finish, ensuring corrosion protection and guaranteeing it won't rust for many years to come. Plus, its single-piece casting means it won't fall apart, even during your most rigorous CrossFit or gym sessions. Now, let's talk weight options. With a range from 9 pounds to a whopping 106 pounds, there's a perfect weight for everyone. And with a guaranteed weight tolerance of just 2%, you can trust that you're getting the exact weight you need to crush your fitness goals. One thing we love about the Nordic Lifting Kettlebell is its color-coded design, making it easy to identify the weight you need at a glance. No more fumbling around trying to find the right kettlebell. Just grab the color you need and get to work. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the quality, handle size, and smoothness of the Nordic Lifting Kettlebell. With over 127 ratings and an impressive 4.7 out of 5 stars, it's clear that this kettlebell is a fan favorite. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out on your fitness journey, the Nordic Lifting Kettlebell is a must-have addition to your home gym. With its durable construction, wide range of weights, and comfortable grip, it's the perfect tool to help you achieve your fitness goals. And there you have it, folks, the Nordic Lifting Kettlebell, the best kettlebell cardio workout on the market. If you're ready to take your fitness to the next level, be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.